Can you talk about how the praying mantis creatures relate to the greys? Are they a leader? Are they the ones that lead them or guide them? Or
as we have said in the past, the idea of leading is a misnomer in this context. It would be the same thing as saying or asking, does one part of your brain lead the other? They are of one mind, yet there are different components that serve different functions. They may represent what you would call a more organizational aspect, but they do not lead any more than your index finger leads your small finger on your hand when you grasp something. Do you follow this analogy?
Could you go into it a little more? I'm not quite
If there is
there.
difficulty in this, it is probably because you are an individuated consciousness and do not understand the hive mentality. It is a single entity. A single entity. Do you understand?
Yes.
If it is a single entity, how then can any one component actually be called a leader? It is one entity. Different components may have different abilities to organize the information within the one, and the mantis, as you say, is a higher order organizational aspect.
Okay.
But it does not correlate to what you and your civilization call a leader. For there are no leaders and followers where there is only one that acts simultaneously within itself in all components at once.
Uh-huh.
Do you understand the difference? It may seem subtle, but it is not.
Okay.
It is a profound difference.